Meaning of grower.
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 Grower. The term grower is often used to describe someone who cultivates plants or vegetables, either for personal or commercial purposes. A grower may specialize in a particular type of plant or crop, and may use different techniques to optimize growth and yield. Generally, growers tend to be knowledgeable about aspects of horticulture, including soil science, irrigation, and pest control. In the context of the cannabis industry, grower also refers to those who cultivate and harvest marijuana plants for use in various products. Overall, growers play an important role in agriculture and food production, ensuring that crops are healthy and plentiful.